Racing Gas is started with Classy June. Color may good in between horses. Then can Sweet Victory. Hasty Cat while padating is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Color may good by about half length by a party outside. Sweet Victory rushing up is a Hasty Cat. Classy June while padating is still racing in less half mile distance. They traveled with Sweet Victory now takes command. Color me good moving upon the outside. Hasty Cat. The next on line is a Classy June while padating is still racing in less. Another 4 turn. Now we have 5 runners now. Sweet Victory.
Numero 2, Classy June, an official winner dito sa race number 4. Na segundo numero 5, padating then Hasty Cat. Daily Dowell sinabot ng 427,000 forecast naman at